In this video, we're going to talk about customizing the quick access toolbar. Might not seem like a big deal, but this is a toolbar that stays at the top of Excel, up here in the top left-hand corner. And it has, by default, it's going to have save, undo, redo, and that's basically it. I have added new and open already. So there's two ways to customize the quick access toolbar. In one previous video I showed you, you can click here on this little customize quick access toolbar button. You can go down and you can add the ones that they have suggested for you. Here, just put a check mark by them and they will be added to the top. The other way you can do that, you can click on more commands and it will take you to this box. It's called Excel Options, and it takes you to the quick access toolbar dialog box. The other way to get to this box, I'm going to hit cancel, we simply go to File, go to Options, and click on Quick Access Toolbar. It's the same place, it's just multiple ways to get there. So, popular commands that people might want to put on their Quick Access Toolbar would be under your Popular Commands drop-down menu. We can also do all commands. There might be some things that, you do for your job or you do on a regular basis that you'd like to have easy access to. So I'm thinking if I was in PowerPoint and I created slideshows that had to be in a certain aspect ratio, this would be a great way to do this. That's square, 16:10, 16:9, some different aspect ratios automatically. But in Excel, we might want to go to the, let's do popular commands. Let's see what they have. So borders, that might be really important to some people. Centering, you might think that's incredibly important. You use it every day, maybe every, several times a day. You may want to put that on your quick access toolbar. Cut. Listen, I'm going to add cut. And the way we're going to add cut, we're going to select cut, we're going to click add, and you'll see it appear over here on the right. You can also take these off of the right. If you select it and click remove, it'll bounce it back over here to the left. And these are the ones that will show up in your quick access toolbar. I'm going to put format painter over there. I might put format cells because that might be something I do constantly. I'm going to add. I'm going to click OK, and you'll see that these items appeared on my quick access toolbar. And if sometimes this quick access toolbar seems far away from our work area. It's not far, but it takes a long time to get up there. Maybe it's not quite as convenient as something else. We can simply click on the Customize Quick Access Toolbar button, and we can actually show below the ribbon. That way our quick access toolbar is closer to us than the items on our ribbon, and that actually really helps a lot. And that way they're easier to get to. You see them a little bit better. They're not out of sight like they are up here, and you might be more willing to use them or use them more on a regular basis than when they're hidden up here at the top. Because, as I use a computer, I focus on the area that I'm working in. I try to use the keyboard as much as possible. I try not to use the mouse to navigate to things because it's slower. And when you have something all the way up at the corner of your screen or at the bottom, you tend not to use those commands. And if we can get them closer to the work area, then it's easier for us to use.